Right, the total number of items sold by each student who participated in a fundraiser is shown in the stem and leaf plot. Which statement is best supported by the data in the stem and leaf plot? Okay, so in my plot, it says items sold, and our stem, I know our stem is the tens place in a number, and my leaf is the ones place. So like the key says, if you see a 1, then the line, then the 2, that means 12. So let's look at F. The number of students who sold between 10 and 20 items is greater than the number of students who sold more than 40 items. So let's count. The number of students who sold between 10 and 20 items is going to be highlighted light pink right here. Okay, so these are how many items each student sold. So I need to count how many numbers there are. So I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers. So I know 5 students sold between 10 and 20 items. Now let's count how many students sold more than 40 items. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers. So this is saying that 5 is greater than 6, which I know is not true. So F is incorrect. G. The number of students who sold more than 30 items is greater than the number of students who sold fewer than 30 items. Okay, so more than 30 items is going to be 30 and 40. Less is going to be with 2 and 1. So more than 30 items, I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 students. I just counted all of those. Okay, so 12. And then let's count the number of students who sold less. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So now this is saying that 12 is greater than 11. Let me double check. So let's see, that kind of makes sense. Okay, so we'll put that as a maybe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, let's double check counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. H, the most common number of items sold is 30. Alright, so I see on the line with the 3, the row with the 3, I see 2 zeros indicating 30. So that means 2 people sold 30 items, but I see that 5 up here, 15, has 3. So that can't be right because that's not most common. Or J, the most common number of items is sold is 15. Well, I know there's 3 5s, so that's a maybe. In this case, J would be our correct answer because the most common number of items sold is 15. Okay, even teachers make mistakes. So letter G, it's asking for the number of students who sold more than 30 items. It doesn't want us to count 30, just more than 30. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So let me fix this 12 and make it a 10. So 10 is not greater than 11, so that rules G out. So J is our correct answer.